Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to this channel. I'm Anton, and today we're tackling a frustrating issue many of you have encountered, the dreaded, snap out of memory error in Google Chrome. Whether you're working with ChatGPT or just browsing heavily, this error can really disrupt your day. Chrome is known for its speed and versatility, but it can hit a wall with memory-intensive tasks, causing that annoying crash. Did you know that by default, Chrome on a 64-bit system is limited to 1.4 GB of memory per tab? But here's a cool fact. We can boost this limit up to 4 GB. Today, I'll show you a quick and effective way to increase Chrome's memory limit, ensuring a smoother browsing experience. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Locate and modify Chrome shortcut first. Find the Chrome shortcut you use. Typically, it's on your desktop or taskbar. Right-click on it and select Properties. Step 2. Add the memory parameter. In the Properties window, go to the Target field. You'll see a path ending with chrome.x. Or if you're using multi-browser account, you'll focus on the last ending with Profile 123. Simply position your cursor at the end of this line. Add a space, then type JS_flags max _old space size = 4096. This command increases the memory allocation for Chrome tabs to 4 GB. Step 3. Apply changes and restart Chrome. Click OK to save your changes. Now close and restart Chrome to apply the new settings. From now on, every time you open Chrome using the shortcut, it will have an enhanced memory capacity. And that's it. With this simple tweak, you should experience fewer memory-related crashes in Chrome. Remember, more memory means better performance for demanding tasks. So go ahead and enjoy a smoother browsing experience. Thanks for watching.